Keep the power on.
Don't go that high.
I didn't try to.
Kind of just powered through it. Whoa.
I can't see in the sun.
Lighting.
It's in the sun.
What? That goes slow enough you could...
I told you.
I think you could land it, dude.
You could almost catch it.
I think you could catch it, definitely. Have some fun with it before you try to land. That way you at least get some fun right there.
Before you wreck it. Is this what Grandpa gave you? Grandpa Terry?
Yeah.
For Christmas? Why don't you say thanks?
Thank you.
He's doing hills. You know what I mean? Kent would always do. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Keep doing your circles out here so we can at least see it.
That's up there.
That is. That's neat. Seth, it totally flies. You fixed it.
Yeah, dude.
It's just coasting now, huh?
Yeah, it's just coasting.
Oh, I'm losing it. Oh.
That's neat. So you have to do circles though, yeah?
Let it come down a little closer.
Seth, you have to do circles though.
No, look.
You're still doing a circle. Whoa, you don't have to do circles. Cool.
It's just funner too.
Right. Holy cow, it's light. I mean,
It's
out of
got a
power
good balance
forever.
to it. It's got a nice...
I think I might get one. You should land it into the wind.
Well, I don't know if he's going to be able to control that.
Did you see how it was slowing down right there though? If he messes up.
Don't power it now. Whoa.
I have to power it now. I have to now.
Seriously, Seth, I could have easily caught that gently and nicely.
Yeah, but you're not there to catch it.
You'd have to bring it right to me, but...
That's the hard part, see?
Oh, it's hard to react to it.
Yeah.
Like that. You almost had that landed though.
How you doing?
Pretty good.
Got one of those at home, but I'm afraid to fly it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he was afraid to fly it for a while.
He just got one of this off of Amazon.
Really?
Yeah, and how much was it, Seth?
It was like $50.
Huh.
It's pretty...
Is that new or used or what?
No, brand new.
Huh. That's good.
Yeah, it kind of just goes, seems like it kind of goes where it wants, you know. It just does circles, and
You can keep it up.
and then yeah, he can give it power, and then it'll go up, and then it'll kind of just...
He has control of the steering, but not a ton.
Huh.
It's, ooh, be careful.
Don't stall there. He landed it before, and it broke the tail off.
It's not very
So he's
durable.
kind of scared to try to bring it down again.
Yeah.
They're pretty flimsy.
Yeah, they're foam, aren't they?
Yeah.
And it wants to do those hills, huh, Seth? See if you can keep it pointed down, or not, don't point down that much, and just try to slow that hill down. Or actually give it power right after it goes up, like right there.
Right, let it go, let it go, let it go.
Don't go up again.
That's pretty good.
That was good, you didn't hurt it that time.